Hyundai issues major recalls affecting over 1.1 million vehicles in 2026. Safety recalls are a critical, albeit unwelcome, part of the automotive industry. They serve as a necessary fail-safe to address manufacturing defects before they lead to widespread injury. So far in 2026, Hyundai Motor has issued 8 separate recalls, impacting a total of more than 1.1 million vehicles across its Hyundai and Genesis lineups. The scale of these recalls ranges from minor electronic glitches to life-threatening mechanical failures, highlighting the complexities of modern vehicle manufacturing, from complex software, instrument panels to the physical safety of passenger seating. The scale of the issue. Major safety concerns. The most significant impact on consumers comes from 2 major recalls involving the Hyundai Palisade, one of the brand's most prominent SUV models. Airbag deployment risks. In late January, Hyundai recalled over 568,000 previous generation Palisade models, 2020-2025, due to a defect where side curtain airbags might deploy improperly. This poses a significant risk of injury during an accident. Rear seat safety. A more recent and severe issue involves the 2026 Palisade. A defect in the power rear seats has been linked to a fatal incident involving a child. This issue was deemed critical enough that Hyundai issued a stop sale order on the model, while engineers worked to develop a permanent fix. Beyond individual models, a massive recall affecting nearly 294,000 vehicles, including the Genesis G90 and Hyundai Ioniq 6, was issued in April regarding seat belt anchors that may detach. Flaw that directly compromises passenger restraint systems. Breakdown of 2026 recalls as of April 14. The following list outlines the specific recalls issued by Hyundai this year, categorized by date. January 2026. Electronics and airbags Jan 16. Instrument. Panel display failures affecting approximately 83,877 Genesis luxury models. G80, GV60, GV70, GV80. Jan 23. Improper side curtain airbag deployment affecting 568,576 Palisade models. 2020-2025. Jan 27. Instrument panel display failures affecting 41,651 units across various models, including the Tucson, Ioniq 5, Kona, Palisade, Santa Cruz, Santa Fe, and Sonata. February 2026. Batteries and steering Feb 6. A specialized recall for 27 electric vehicles, Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 9, due to high-voltage battery fire risks. Feb 6. Loss of steering control due to cracked steering knuckle assemblies, affecting 4,555 Hyundai Kona models. March 2026. Seating and restraints Mar 17. Power rear seats that may trap occupants, affecting 61,097 2026 Palisade units. Mar 20. Seat belt status indicator malfunctions, affecting 46,787 2026 Palisade units. April 2026. Structural safety APRA 6. Seat belt anchors that may detach, affecting 294,128 units, including the Genesis G90, Ioniq 6, and Santa Fe. Summary of trends. The 2026 recall data reveals a dual challenge for Hyundai: software electronic reliability instrument panels, and critical mechanical safety, airbags, steering, and seat belts. While the small number of EV battery recalls suggests localized issues, the high volume of recalls for structural and restraint components like seat belts and airbags underscores the high stakes of vehicle safety compliance. Conclusion. With over 1 million vehicles affected by various safety defects, Hyundai is currently navigating a period of significant regulatory and mechanical scrutiny, particularly regarding its most popular SUV models.